Good morning, students. Once again, a pact with the sun. I'll continue with the story. We are at page number 31. So we know that now the sun rays have been allowed by the sun to go to the earth because they had made a promise with Saida. And they feel that if they do not go, the people on the earth will feel that they are liars, that the sun which is in the heaven is full of liars. So the sun agrees and lets them go. So he says, but be careful, don't get dirty. The clouds are murky because you'll have to pass through the clouds and you might get dirty. Never mind our clothes, we can always change. But the sun rays say, don't mind, Father, we can always change our clothes even if we get dirty. But go we must, but we have to go. And the rays rushed towards us and they started their journey towards the earth. The clouds stood guard between them and Saida's courtyard. And what was there between on their way? The way was blocked by the clouds. The little rays focused their heat. See, rays are full of heat and they had enough of it when all of them are moving together on a battalion of clouds. Battalion is again a collective noun. And here it is being used for lots of clouds. That is group of clouds which had to flee from its post. So they generated so much heat that the clouds had to run away from their way, from their path. उनके रास्ते से हट गए. The rays got through, shooting past the bewildered clouds. So they passed through the clouds, and bewildered means confused, puzzled. So the clouds are puzzled why the sun rays are trying to go to the earth. They were already late. The sun rays were already late because they had promised that they'll be at Saida's courtyard at a fixed time. So here you see that is Saida and her mother is sitting on a charpai. Charpai is a Hindi word, Urdu word. So when they reached earth, Saida saw the whole host of them. Again, lot of them. Host is lot of them approaching and her heart leapt with joy. Leapt is jumped with joy. She shouted. So she is very happy that the sun rays are there in her courtyard. Amma, Amma, the sun is here. Come out. So now she is shouting at her mother. She is calling her mother. Then, Mama, the sun rays are here. Please come out because the doctor has advised you to sit in the sun for 1 hour. The old lady's eyes welled. Welled is filled up with tears of gratitude. Gratitude is thankfulness. Dhanyavad, Shukriya. In English you say thankfulness, gratitude. Her charpai was placed in the courtyard and she sat on it for an hour reclining. Reclining is resting against bolsters. Bolsters are cushions. See, round, like you have takiya hote hain jo ghar mein. Similarly, you have round cushions. Those are called bolsters. So she is resting. Reclining is resting against those bolsters. It had been months since she had felt the sun on her hands and face and breathed in fresh air. Why? Because for months she was not keeping well. And she was not keeping well. She was in a room, dark room with windows closed, doors closed, and there was no sunshine and no fresh air. So she is feeling good. After so many months she is out in the sun and she is breathing fresh air. She thought she was in a new world, obviously, because till now she was in that dark room. Though pale is light in color, her face glowed and her eyes shone bright. And today her face is glowing is shining, and her eyes are also shining because after so many days she is out in the sun and in the fresh air. She saw her child too bathed in sunlight and kissed her. And she saw that Saida was also there in the sunlight and she kissed her daughter. That is Saida. So this is early morning. That is, the doctor had advised that from 8 to 9 in the morning. The morning air brought in a new fragrance. Fragrance is smell. Good smell is called fragrance from nearby flowers. The birds chanted. Chanted is repeated. Keep on repeating a particular line or song. Chanted a new tune. For her, everything, this is a whole new world. Birds singing, fresh air, sunshine. Because till now, she was in a dark room, small room with windows closed and doors closed. So when she's sitting out in the sun, breathing fresh air, listening to the tune of the birds, to her this is a new world. Saida's mother felt better already and she's already started feeling well. So she fully recovered now, but she still follows the doctor's advice. What is the doctor's advice? An hour of sunlight, 1 hour of sunlight in the morning, and lungful of fresh air every day. And you should have lots of, lungful means lots of fresh air every day. So that's the end of the story. What it tries to tell us is that there's a saying in English, early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. And this is what all of you should also follow. Early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day. Take care.